Hello everyone! Today we are going to launch a new concept on the channel, which is going to be called What's Up?
Whoa!
In which we will look at today's hardware news, so without further ado, let's begin! Were you looking to buy a graphics card no less than some months ago? Because of Ethereum mining, like everyone, you remember how crazy hard it was to find one in stock no matter the price? While now, after this huge mining crash, GPUs are being sold by the kilo on the streets of Vietnam. Nah man, you're joking, right? It's not like selling, I don't know, fish? Well, guess what? I'm not. According to Facebook user Letine, who runs a hardware shop in Vietnam, he now uses street vending as a way of selling his stock of used GPUs. Yeah, really, street vending. I think we can see what seems to be colorful Battle Axe, MSI Ventus, and Galax, I don't know the name, RTX cards on the picture. It really shows how messed up the market has been ever since. Not so long ago, when I wanted to make a build myself, I ended up buying a GTX 1080 for 529 euros during the shortage. Around this time in France, 36s were going for 850 euros, yeah, seriously. Now leftover inventory is just getting like thrown up on the streets, you know. To be honest, prices dropping on the used market is amazing for budget gamers, especially for countries that do not have the latest video cards for a good price in new condition. But buyers beware, you never know how the card was treated under mining operations. I also found this video from what seems to be Vietnamese crypto miners. I let you watch it. Yes, so just a single word for you, okay? Do not buy those unless you are ready to gamble your money. You never know if an idiot used like a garden hose to clean their cards. Anyway, that's the news for today. Tell me if you would like me to continue this series, and as always, thanks for watching.